Okay, welcome everyone. Today we're going to have a simple chat, sort of a deep dive into two words you hear a lot with money: assets and liabilities.
Right. They sound a bit formal, maybe, but the idea behind them is really quite straightforward. We just want to make them super clear.
Exactly. Think of us as just explaining something new, nice and easy. What do these words actually mean for, your everyday money situation?
Okay, so let's start with assets. What is an asset? Well, simply put, it's something you own that's valuable.
Right, valuable.
Or it could be something that might, put money in your pocket later on. Think of it as something that helps you out financially.
Yeah, okay, so if I have $10 cash in my pocket right now.
Exactly. That $10 is an asset. You own it, it has value right now. Simple as that.
Makes sense.
Or maybe you own something you use to make a bit of money, perhaps. Like a lawnmower if you cut neighbor's grass for $20 here and there.
Ah, I see. So the lawnmower itself is the asset.
Yes, because it has value, you could sell it, maybe, and you use it to bring money in. That's the key idea. Does it help bring money towards you?
Okay, got it. Assets help bring money in or have value themselves. So what about the other word, liabilities?
Right, liabilities. Well, if assets are things you own, liabilities are basically things you owe.
Oh, like debts.
Exactly. Debts or obligations. Things that mean money needs to go out of your pocket either now or in the future.
Okay, so my phone bill, that's due. Say it's $50.
Perfect example. That $50 you owe for the phone service is a liability. You're obligated to pay it. Money's going out.
Right.
Or another one, maybe you bought something, say, on a store account, and you still owe $100 on it.
Yeah.
That $100 is a liability until you've paid it all back. It's money you have to find to send away.
Okay. What about borrowing money? Like a small loan, maybe $500 from a friend?
Definitely. That $500 loan is a liability, too. You have to pay it back, don't you?
Yeah, you do.
And things like taxes you might owe the government, those are liabilities as well. It's money you're obligated to pay out.
So liabilities are all about money going out, things you have to pay for.
Precisely. They are claims against your money, really. Obligations to pay.
Okay, so assets bring money in or have value. Liabilities take money out. Seems clear enough. But I think sometimes it gets a bit mixed up.
Ah, yes. That's a really common point of confusion, and it's important. Sometimes something can be an asset, but it also has a liability attached right to it.
Right. Like buying a house. People say a house is an asset.
Usually, yes. A house generally has significant value, and hopefully its value might even go up over time. So the house itself, asset.
Okay. PUT.
Yeah.
And this is the key bit, isn't it? Most people don't just buy a house with cash, they borrow money. A mortgage.
Exactly. And that mortgage, the big loan you took out to buy the house, that is the liability.
Why? Because you have to pay it back.
Yes. Every month or however often you have those payments going out of your bank account. It's a big financial obligation.
So the house asset, the mortgage liability, they're linked together.
Perfectly put. It's not always just one or the other in isolation. They often come as a pair with big purchases like that.
Okay, that makes sense. So why is it actually useful to know this difference? Assets, liabilities. What's the point for someone just trying to manage their money day to day?
Well, it's really the first step, isn't it, to understanding where you actually stand financially. It helps you see clearly what you have going for you.
Your assets.
Versus what you owe to others.
Your liabilities.
Knowing that difference helps you figure out your overall financial position. Sometimes people call it net worth.
Ah, net worth.
Yeah.
So that's just everything you own minus everything you owe.
Basically, yes. All your assets added up minus all your liabilities added up. It gives you a sort of snapshot.
So like my $10 cash asset minus my $50 phone bill liability, it gives me a number that tells me something.
It tells you where you stand right now.
Yeah.
And tracking that number over time can show if you're making progress.
Okay. So a really simple first step for anyone listening might just be to think about it.
Absolutely. Just take a moment. Think. What valuable things do I actually own? Maybe make a quick list. Those are your assets.
And then think, what bills do I have coming up? What debts do I need to pay back?
Right. List those out, too. Those are your liabilities. Just seeing them written down can be quite, eye-opening sometimes.
Yeah, I can see that. Just knowing what's what.
So, to sum it up simply, assets help you. They add value or bring money in. Liabilities cost you. They take money out because you owe.
And understanding that balance is key to, getting a handle on your money, isn't it? Maybe think about whether your assets are growing or if your liabilities are shrinking. Is that overall picture heading the way you want it to?
That's a great thought to leave people with. We hope this little chat made things a bit clearer.
Yeah, Hope it was helpful. If you found it useful, maybe, give it a like or share it with someone else who might be wondering about this stuff.
Thanks for tuning in.
Cheers.